In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set alerts on NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll have a chart alert that monitors price or an indicator, triggers your chosen action, and rearms exactly the way you want. First, open the Alert menu. On your chart, right-click anywhere on the price panel or background to open the context menu, then click Alerts. This opens the Alerts dialog so you can create and manage chart alerts. Next, add a new alert. In the dialog box, click the Add button. A new alert entry appears. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. Click into the name field and type something descriptive like Price Crosses Level or EMA Crossover. Keeping names clear makes it easier to manage multiple alerts. Now define the condition. Start with the left side. This tells NinjaTrader what to monitor. So click the left selector and choose the source. For example, price, then last if you want the most recent traded price. If you prefer to monitor an indicator, select the indicator from the list instead. The left side is the live data stream the alert will watch. Choose the operator. Click the operator field and pick how the left side should be compared. Select greater or less to check if price or the indicator is above or below a level. Choose crosses above or crosses below to trigger at the moment the left side crosses a threshold. Crosses operators are useful when you only want the alert at the actual crossing, not on every bar that stays above or below. Set the right side. Click the right selector and define what the left side is compared against. You can enter a specific price level, like 4,200.00, or choose another indicator if you're building a crossover, such as comparing price to a moving average. If you type a value, double-check the number and decimals to avoid a mistyped threshold. If you select another indicator, make sure its inputs and period match what you expect on the chart. Set actions. This controls what happens when the alert triggers. In the Actions section, choose one or more responses. Select a sound if you want an audible notification, pick a pop-up message if you want a visual prompt on screen, or enable flashing to draw attention to the chart. You can combine these so the alert is hard to miss. If you pick a sound, make sure your system volume is on so you can hear it when it triggers. Configure Rearm. Rearm determines when the alert will be able to trigger again after it fires. Choose your preferred option from the Rearm settings. Once per bar allows the alert to trigger again on the next bar, which is helpful for recurring conditions. Never means the alert will trigger a single time and then remain inactive until you manually enable it again, which is best for one-off signals. Pick the choice that matches how often you want the alert to repeat. Apply or confirm with OK. Click Apply to save your alert and keep the window open so you can immediately review or add another alert. Apply is useful if you're setting several alerts back-to-back. Click OK to save and close the dialog and activate the alert on this chart. Either way, the alert is now in place using the condition, actions, and rearm setting you configured. At this point, your chart alert is fully set on NinjaTrader. When the defined condition is met, the selected action will trigger, and it will rearm according to the option you chose. Your alert setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.